Once upon a time, in a land torn by a bitter rivalry between two neighboring kingdoms, there were two sworn enemies, Princess Isabella of the Kingdom of Viridia and Prince Alexander of the Kingdom of Eldoria. Their kingdoms had been at war for generations, and they grew up despising each other, fueled by the tales of hatred passed down through the years. One fateful day, a magical incident occurred during a skirmish at the border. Isabella and Alexander found themselves inexplicably drawn into a hidden underground chamber. They were trapped together, far from the battlefield, with no way to escape. Initially, their anger and hostility simmered between them. As days turned into weeks, their situation forced them to rely on each other for survival. They had to find food, water, and shelter together. At first, their conversations were tense and guarded, but slowly they began to open up to one another. They discovered shared interests in art, music, and dreams of a more peaceful world. Over time, their hatred transformed into a deep understanding of each other's perspectives. They realized that the war that had consumed their lives had been fueled by misunderstandings and a thirst for power among their elders. Isabella and Alexander found themselves yearning for a different future, one where the kingdoms could coexist in harmony. One evening, as they gazed at the stars from their underground sanctuary, Alexander took Isabella's hand, and they made a pact to end the war between their kingdoms. With their newfound bond and shared vision, they returned to the surface and worked tirelessly to broker a peace agreement. Their determination, coupled with the support of their people, led to a historic peace treaty. The Kingdom of Viridia and the Kingdom of Eldoria ceased hostilities, and Isabella and Alexander were hailed as heroes who had transformed enemies into soulmates. As they continued to work together to heal the wounds of their kingdoms, Isabella and Alexander's bond grew stronger. They realized that their love was a force that could bridge even the deepest divides.